manufacturing shops use standard time a lot of different ways. Some shops scan just employee and job names for basic work order tracking. Many others add task or process names to those basics. Still others collect detailed values relevant to their workflow and processes. Even more advanced shops schedule jobs and tasks into future time slots, which is the topic of this whiteboard. As an administrator, your job is to schedule those projects and tasks so employees can see upcoming work. That helps them manage their own time and resources. Standard time makes planning and scheduling as painless as possible. Look for planning icons in the homepage on the Standard Time Cloud or on-premise program. Here's a starting point: projects, project tasks, task calendar, resource allocation. You probably have already discovered that standard time tasks have start dates, finish dates, due dates, estimated durations, percent completions, and resource assignments. Those are the basics for job scheduling. Have you tried them yet? Simply entering starting dates and estimates can get you started. You'll suddenly see graphical representations in calendars, in the resource allocation page, and on Gantt charts. Those charts and graphs help manage workload, manpower, and employee availability. In other words, your employee's ability to take on new work. Even employee vacations and PTO are accounted for. After all, that's time they can't work on jobs. Get started with those 4 areas above. You'll find they all work together. You will like this, we promise.